Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll show you how to move files from OneDrive to computer. Here are two simple methods to save or move files from OneDrive to your computer locally or to your computer's drive. Method 1, using File Explorer. First, go to the Start menu on your computer. Type File Explorer in the search box and open the app. In the left panel of File Explorer, find your OneDrive folder and click on it. You will see the OneDrive icon next to it. Here you will see all the files in your OneDrive. Click on the drag the file you want to save to your computer. Then drop it into local folder such as desktop, documents or pictures. Note, make sure you are placing the file in a folder that's saved directly on your computer, not inside another OneDrive folder. Method 2, using a browser and website. First, open any internet browser on your computer. Search for OneDrive in the search box or go directly to OneDrive.com, the official OneDrive website. Sign in Microsoft OneDrive account. After signing, click on the My Files option in the left side menu. Here you will see all the files in your OneDrive. Select the files you want to download to your computer, then click the download button at the top. Once the file is downloaded, go to the downloads folder on your computer. You will find your download files there. You can then copy or cut the files from download folder to move any local folder on your computer. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.